Josie Slaughter with Family Expeditions here. We are in the amazing country of New Zealand. We've been here for a few days now and just had an incredible red stag hunt this morning, and it has been the experience of a lifetime. We highly recommend this lodge to all of our Family Expeditions clients. This is so far beyond anything we get to experience back home in Alabama, and so it's so exciting just to be out here in this country and chasing after these just majestic, amazing animals that we're after right now. New Zealand's a place, I think, where the people, the culture, seemingly are very connected to the outdoors, and I think it creates a really special experience. I think hunting for me is a connection to creation in a way that few other experiences are. I think it takes so many aspects of other amazing outdoor experiences like hiking or sports, etc., and puts it just so much deeper onto a ground level where you're really having to get into the mind of the wildlife around you. Okay, so this morning, on a wonderful, beautiful New Zealand day, which is such a gift to have such beautiful weather, to be out on the hunt. We were after a beautiful red stag, and so exciting for me. This is such a dream hunt for me to get to experience. And so we were up bright and early this morning, got out on the road, and my guide Ben knew that some red stags had been hanging out on a kind of mountainside, and so he's like, why don't we start there and then we'll see where we go. And so we were making our way over, and then jumped out of our ATV and started walking over, and lo and behold, he was right, and the red stags are over there. And so we were kind of glassing for a few minutes looking at which one was the right one for me to take, and picked him, and he was just grazing right along the side of the mountain as he was standing broadside shot, and it was just, it's a weighty moment. Oh, thank you.
Beautiful.
He is gorgeous. Right now we're rechecking out a lodge that we have worked with for many, many years, and it has just been a top-notch experience. The staff has been just incredible, paying attention to every detail, taking care of us at every turn. My guide has been just phenomenal, walking me every step through the hunt, knowing exactly what's coming, taking care of me as I'm practically falling down the mountains and all the good things. And it has just, the people here are so fantastic. The lodge here is just absolutely, just makes you feel so at home. Like you come into the roaring fire and the gorgeous leather couches, and you're just like, oh, I could just die right here. This is just absolutely it, to just sit here all day. So it has been, from the hunt to going to sleep, it has been the best experience all around.